So, a homepage is what the students will see immediately when they log into your course. So, some people like it to be the announcements page, some people like it to be modules, or some people like to create their own page and use that as their homepage. So, I'm actually going to choose that. So, I'm going to come over here to pages, and this will show me the list of all the pages that have been created for this course. And I'm going to scroll down to find the page I want to use. So it's going to be the semester one key calendar. So I'm going to come over here to the three dots and I have to set it as a front page first. So once I set it as a front page, I'm going to go back to home and now I'm going to choose my home page. So choose a home page and it is an option. So I can choose that page, that front page that I set. Again, some people like to use the assignment list, some people like to use their syllabus, their course stream activity modules, announcements, different things. But I want that to be the home page. So I'm going to hit save. And so when I go to student view, this should pop up. I hope it works. Yeah. So when the students log in for the first time, this is what's going to show up as the homepage in the course.